Hi, Tony Ligi, Customer Support Manager here at Lyco Manufacturing. Today's deep dive, Luke Tittle, our Engineering Manager, is going to discuss how we pre-commission our equipment.
Lyco equipment is designed, wired, and tested right here at our Lyco manufacturing facility. We complete an internal factory acceptance test, which includes wiring, connecting utilities, steam, water, and air, and running pumps and motors. This validates the components like valves, sensors, motors, and the entire Lyco machine is working as designed before leaving our docks. Lyco will deliver a turnkey solution, which will lead to a fast and successful startup at your facility.
Whatever your needs are, we can help. Servicing and supporting our customers is a top priority, especially when it comes to keeping your equipment running smoothly. Our service team is here and available to you 24/7.